Hello, health freaks! It's a well-known fact that not all healthy foods are delicious, but in this case, blackberries are an exception. Ever thought of the health benefits of eating blackberries? Did you know that blackberries have anti-cancer properties? In this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 health benefits of blackberries. Trust me, you definitely don't want to miss this. Apart from being rich in magnesium, potassium, and vitamins, did you know that eating blackberries can reduce your cholesterol level? Along with its versatile use in smoothies and salads, adding blackberries to your diet can also improve brain power. Before we go on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips like this, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Now, here are the 10 health benefits of blackberries. Number 1. They're packed with fiber. Consuming blackberries can help you meet your daily fiber intake. Just 1 cup of blackberries has over 7.6 grams of fiber. And in case you don't know, the blackberries' fiber aid digestion and keep you full for a longer period, which is a great way to stay away from junk food and other unhealthy foods. Number 2. They're loaded with antioxidants. Did you know that blackberries contain the highest number of antioxidants of all the berries? It might interest you to know that eating blackberries every day can reduce your visits to the doctor by protecting your body against free radicals that cause diabetes and heart diseases. Don't miss out on this nutritional benefit. Make it a habit to eat blackberries every day. Number 3. They boost brain power. It's a popular fact that blackberries are your brain boost berries. In fact, a lot of studies have confirmed that blackberries can help to improve cognitive and motor skills. Treat yourself with a glass of blackberry smoothie and watch your brain power improve greatly. Number 4. They keep your heart healthy. Due to the rich content of magnesium and fiber in blackberries, this fruit stands out as one of your heart's best friends. They protect the heart from blockage and encourage an ease of blood flow in the arteries. Number 5. They boost your immune system. Are you always vulnerable to diseases and infections? A tall glass of blackberry juice is the spell you need to boost your immune system. I mean, this delicious fruit helps to fight off disease-causing bacteria and protects your body against infections, thanks to its rich content in phytoestrogens, vitamins, and minerals. Number 6. They lower cholesterol level. Did you know that high cholesterol is a ticket away from developing atherosclerosis? And if something isn't done fast, you might have a heart attack. Eating blackberries helps to keep the heart healthy by reducing the density of lipoprotein cholesterol by 50%. Number 7. They have anti-cancer properties. If you're at risk of developing cancer, start eating blackberries. The antioxidants, anthocyanins, and other phytochemicals in blackberries help to prevent the spread of cancerous cells. Number 8. They prevent gum infection. Are you struggling with gum infection? Blackberries might be a solution. Due to their rich content in natural phenol antioxidants that kill illness-causing oral bacteria, blackberries stand out as one of the oral health-friendly foods. Number 9. They give strong bone development. Are you surprised? Don't be! The magnesium and calcium in blackberries helps to maintain healthy and stronger bones. Number 10. Normal blood clotting. This is among the blackberry benefits. Blackberries are rich in vitamin K, which helps in the normal clotting of blood and promoting healthy blood flow. Did you find this video helpful? Start a conversation with our community. We'd be glad to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends.